I finally found something natural to help me with my anxiety and stress.
When I need a mental or energy boost, I reach for Apetropics Genius Chews with an adaptogen mushroom blend and natural ingredients to help me gain the focus and clarity I need.
These Apetropics Genius Chews have been so great for my anxiety.
Let me tell you, they taste pretty good too. So I was dealing with brain fog, and after I took about 2 of these, man, I started getting some stuff done.
They come in a delicious berry flavor. Nurturing my mind and body has never been easier or tastier.
Keep me clear-headed and focused, no prescription drugs needed. Just Apetropics.
Apetropics Genius Chews.